service water solenoid.
Okay. Okay, understood.
Mixing also there is a very big but you have this.
There are two mixers in each. There no, the mixing will be there. Maybe some of septicity will develop that will taken care by odor and downstream units.
But service water is.
Service water is critical. If your service water fails, then your screen will clog.
And everything volume is there.
Yeah.
Okay, if service water fails, solenoid valve fails, what is the standby provision?
Standby unit will this unit will stop and standby will be in the operation.
And SOP control activity.
And there will be SOP to clean the.
And you have a flexible hose also sometime.
Yeah, flexible hose is there. Should be flashing point. If you see this screen is connected with some one service water.
Okay, that means you have considered in design and we are okay, but we have recorded it. This is good.
Yeah, there will be
the hose are there. They have to come.
No hose is there now.
Flexible are there, no
That
bottom.
area is there.
Yeah.
SOP should be there.
Yeah, SOP we have taken. Yeah. So guys, I don't want to rush. The same time, I don't want to compromise. Now we have seen this node. We are very slow because our target is to complete total 11 node in today and tomorrow. So my target is to complete 5 node today. So going for the next one, toxic distribution chamber, anoxic tank, MBR tank, brass pump, permeate backwash pump to chlorine contact tank.